Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about how I made over $731 by sending just 11 clicks. Okay, this is something I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be showing you how I did it, and I'm going to be helping you understand how actually this works so that you can apply the same method and see if you're getting similar results like this or not. I'm not sure that you're going to be getting the same results, but I'm going to be showing you the same strategy which I have used for getting results like this. Okay, and this is not a first time that has happened to me. It happens every single week, but in this this week I thought I should make a case study video style to show you how this thing works. And these are recent results. These are not some 2014 results. These are recent results. Okay, you can see over here the time of 7 to 13. So you may think it has happened in the past 7 days, but it's not. Basically, it has happened within one single day. And we can see over here the sales started pouring into my account at a time of 6:44 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and then from there, after 2 minutes, this guy bought first upsell, 3 minutes, second upsell, third upsell, fourth upsell, fifth upsell. And these are not some cheap sales. These are 181, 33, 181, 181, 144, 154. So made this money within just 1 day. And that is why I'm super pumped. Here are some of my recent last 30 days results, and these are February 2020 results. Okay, so that is why I'm super pumped to show you how this thing works, how you can really make money from home, how you can really make money on Warrior Plus platform, which I'm going to be talking today about. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to have a squeeze page. What I mean by that is a squeeze page which can be like this. Okay, here we actually entices visitors to put in their email address into our system. Okay, now when somebody puts in the email address over here, they're going to be taken to my thank you page. And on my thank you page, I basically introduce myself. Okay, I tell them my name, my image, and then I actually tell them what they need to do the next. Okay, so they need to go to their email, check the email with my name, and if my email has landed in the spam box, they need to go into the spam box and click on that report not spam and or not spam. Okay, because nowadays this make money online stuff kind of email always land in a spam box of Gmail users. Okay, so this is not good for actually promoting in the long term. So you need to basically tell them what they need to do next. Okay, so when they click on not spam, your IP is going to be having a good reputation, and then every single email that you send after that time would be land in the inbox column. Okay, so make sure you apply this text on your thank you page. It works really like a magic. Okay, then I showed them some of my recent results. Okay, this is a PayPal screenshot, and don't worry if you don't have a payment proof right now. When you get payment proof like $50, $100, it shouldn't be like $1,000 or $5,000. Normal payment like $50 to $100, it also works because people like to see normal results. Okay, okay, they don't like hyped stuff. They like normal stuff. Even if you send show them a results like a $50 or $30 or maybe $70 to $80 to $100, within $100, still it will be it will work like a magic. Okay, so make sure you apply this strategy. When you get your first payment, make sure you screenshot that and put it on your thank you page. Now, why we do this? Because we need to prove to them that we know to make money. Okay, so when we show them our results, our real proofs, they trust us, and then they're going to be clicking on the link right below this video. And when they click this link right below this video, they're going to be taken to an affiliate offer either from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or JVZoo, whatever you want to promote. Okay, and also you need to tell them what they need to do on the sales page. Okay, so this is the thank you page, or you can say the bridge page, whatever they want to say, which is very important, because most people, what they do is from squeeze page, they take people straight to the offer, which is kind of like it's not good. Okay, because people don't know to whom I have subscribed, from whom I'm going to be getting emails. So even though some people may not click on this link, but those people who would see your name, your image, your payment proof, whatever you want to share, those people are going to be engaging with you on long-term basis. Okay, they're going to be opening your emails on long-term basis, and they're going to be your potential buyers. Okay, to make sure you always have a thank you page after your squeeze page. Okay, so from there we send it to the affiliate offers. Now the big part of the problem, I would say, is most people don't know which offer to promote on Warrior Plus. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to choose a high converting offer on Warrior Plus. Plus, if you are a complete newbie, I'm going to be guaranteeing your approval for some of the high converting offers. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to get approved for highest converting offer. Okay, so when you logged into your Warrior Plus account, go to affiliates and then click on offers tab. Okay, and when you land on offers, in the vendor section you want to put in Brendan Mace. Okay, BRENDN space MACE, Brendan Mace. This is the vendor's name, and they would display all the offers from Brendan Mace, and these are highest converting offers right now on Warrior Plus. You can see the conversions are like 25%, 25%, 29%, 15%, 22% with top-notch converting offers. You can see the EPC over here, and the refund rate is also very low. Okay, so you need to get approved for this offer. Not only you need to get approved for that offer, what you need to do, what you need to get is approved for 100% license rights. What I mean by that is you need to get approved for 100% commission across the entire sales funnel. Okay, and that is the power of license rights. Let me show you. Okay, so this is one of the offers from Brendan Mace, and in my case, I am approved for 100% commission across the entire sales funnel. So when I promote this offer, every single money generated from this sales funnel goes into my pocket, not vendor's pocket. Okay, because I have bought a license rights for these products. Okay, so I'm going to be also telling you how to get license rights, how to get guaranteed approval to promote these high converting offers. Okay, so this is an autoresponder which I use, and in my case study I send out just 1 to 2 emails from my email list, and this is my autoresponder, which is a Now Lifestyle autoresponder which I use, which is having a 50,000 subscribers space for like $25 per month. Just $25 per month for 50,000 subscribers space. Okay, so if you're interested, I'm going to be putting a link right below this video for this autoresponder. You can test it out for yourself and let me know how you like it. Again, this is my account. This is my subscribers, 6,648, and this autoresponder, from this autoresponder, I basically send emails to my subscribers. Okay, so you can see over here, if I click on broadcast, you will see I send out like 2 to 3 emails every single day. Okay, and in this case, when I send out emails to my subscriber, they clicked on it and they buy stuff which I recommend. It's not because I send out emails to my subscribers. No, it's not emails which is doing the magic. It's the offers which are really high converting that is doing the real magic. Okay, so how to get approved to promote this high converting offer. Okay, so let me show you one of the bonus pages. So this is one of the bonus pages which I have got licensed to this. So you can see over here, this is one of the offers of Brendan Mace Super Funnels. But when you get this Super Funnel offer through the link over here by clicking this link, you're going to be getting these bonuses. Okay, and trust me, what are these bonuses? These are like super funnels license rights. That means you're going to be getting license rights to this super funnels. Okay, you're going to be getting 100% like this commission across the entire sales funnel. Then you're going to be getting a very chomper, another a product from Brendan Mays, Goodwill Pro, Cartel Pro, Auction Pro, Stealth Pro, 80 done for you bonuses, which you can use as a free gift. Now, I forgot to mention, when you create a thank you page, you need to provide some kind of value to your subscribers. So when you say in the first line that please check your inbox for the email for searching and access your free download, like a free gift, people are going to go to their email and they're going to be searching for that free gift. So what is a free gift? You can use any one of these 80 done for you bonuses. These are not some crap PLR. These are high quality bonuses, which are like software products, digital information products, which people are going to be thanking you to get it. Okay. Then you're going to be getting invisible license rights. This is the offer which not only you're going to be getting a guaranteed approval, you are going to be getting 100% commission across the entire sales funnel. Trust me, it's magic. Okay. Okay, let's go on. Okay. Again, you're going to be getting Equinox license rights. So you're going to be getting approved for another Brendan Mays offer, which is another high converting offer, which is this one, Equinox. And you can see over here, this is converting at 29%. And it also has a recurring offer sales in the sales funnel. And you're going to be getting license rights so that you get 100% commission across the entire sales funnel. Plus, you're going to be getting Enigma license rights. So this is another product from Brendan Mays. Now, let's go on. Enigma. Sorry, Enigma. Okay, this is another high converting offer. So in total, you're going to be getting 4 high converting offers plus the license rights for this high converting product, so that you can use it and use to promote it. Now, how cool is that when you have 4 high converting offers? And trust me, these are not some cheap license rights which you are getting. Let me share. Now, the normal price of a license rights is $167, and you're almost getting 4 license rights for top 4 high converting offers. So that 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 167, that comes to like close to $500. Not 5, no, maybe $600. My math is not that great. Maybe $500, $600. But you're going to be getting all this $500 to $600 worth of bonuses for just $22 when you get this super funnels through the link right below this video. It's going to be taking you to this page, and when you click on this page, you're going to be you need to get the super funnels for just $22, and for $22 you're going to be getting 4 high converting offer direct approval plus tons of bonuses. You're going to be getting just go through these bonuses that you're going to be getting. These are really helpful, and with this 4 high converting offer approval, you're good to go. Now, how to promote this this squeeze page? Okay, so what you need to do is there is a marketplace which is a solo ad marketplace which is called Udemy. You need to go over here, and you need to buy some traffic from here. The traffic starts from 40 cents per click. So for $40 you can buy 100 clicks. Okay, and in my suggestion my suggestion is when you register on Udemy through the link right below this video, I'm going to be sending you the person name. In fact, one guy who is getting me high quality traffic. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you the name of the person from where you need to buy the traffic. Okay, so you don't have to waste your money testing out different vendors. Okay, just need to go to the person which I'm recommending, buy traffic from him, and you would get a good amount of results. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to be getting the same kind of results like what I got in this case, but if you get a good amount of list in your autoresponder, eventually you have 4 high converting offers. So you can promote one offer 1 week, second offer second week, third offer third week. Make a 1 week long promo. Okay, don't just promote for 1 to 2 days. Okay, promote from Monday to Saturday. Okay, and see what are the conversions. Send out at least 300 to 400 clicks to one of the offers. Okay, and after 300-400 clicks, see what are the conversions. Trust me, it's gonna be totally blockbuster. Okay, because I know how bad this offer, how great this offer converts. Okay, so that is how I really want to help you. So in this video I have explained to you how to get started, how you need to create a squeeze page, then you need to connect it with your thank you page, and then on thank you page you need to have a button call to action, then you need to take them to the main offer. Okay, the offer, you can, in this case you can basically select any of these 4 offer. I would really suggest you to promote this offer, Invisible, because this offer converts really well with the solo ad traffic. Okay, because I have tested it. Okay, you can go with this, but you need to have approval to promote this offer. And with this page, when you get it through this button, you would get all these bonuses. Okay, and you're good to go. So if you have any questions about anything which I have explained right now in this video, let me know in the comment section how you want me to help you in this case. If you want some suggestion on traffic, if you want some suggestion on squeeze page, if you want some suggestion on email autoresponder, let me know and I would be more than happy to help you. Okay, my Facebook link is given below the description so that you can send me a message on Facebook. The bonuses are preloaded on the receipt page. So when you get a receipt from Warrior Plus, okay, you need to put it in your Warrior Plus account. You need to go to your ID and you can see over here purchase history. And when you click on the purchase history button, it's going to be taking you to whatever products you have purchased. And in this case, you want to click on this button if you have purchased this one. Okay, and when you click on this, there's going to be a button which would say Access Affiliate Bonus. And when you click on Access Affiliate Bonus, you're going to be getting all these bonuses instantly. Okay, now for approval or the license rights, it may take 48 to 72 hours. You need to send support ticket to their team. So make sure to send support ticket that I have bought this super funnels through this link. I have got access to these bonuses. Please approve me and give me license rights for these all high converting offers. Okay, and these all bonuses are going to be already there, so you don't need to contact anybody to get these bonuses. But for license rights, yes, you need to wait for 48 to 72 hours because it's going to be done manually. Okay, but you would get approved to promote this high converting offer. In my case, I'm approved for all of this offer, and not only I'm approved, I am approved for 100% commission across the entire sales funnel. So every single money which I am generating is going straight into my pocket. Okay, and this is how I generated over $731 just by sending 11 clicks from my email list. Okay, so that's it. That's it for this video. I hope you have got some value on that. Let me know if you have any questions. For more case studies, more results oriented videos, you can subscribe to my channel if you wish. If you have any comments about this thing, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.